Here's a perfect example of what happens when I need to clean out my fridge or my pantry. Had some potatoes, had some marrow bones, which I'll get to in another video, and some neck bones from a friend of mine who had a cow butchered, and they were grass-fed and beautiful. Had some onions and some onion soup mix in the pantry, along with a can of mushroom soup, and thought I would take those items and pop those into my Instant Pot for a weeknight meal. I took the meat, seared it, and once it was seared on both sides, I put it in the Instant Pot with some wine, some onion soup mix, 1 package, and some tablespoon or so of the beef stock, and I think I had 2/3 of a cup of wine in there. The recipe will be attached. Threw a chopped up onion in there with some water and just turned it on for what ended up being 45 minutes. The 35 wasn't quite long enough. It made its own gravy. It separated from the bone deliciously after I cooked it for the extra 10 minutes. And served it on top of mashed potatoes and with some broccoli. It made a gorgeous weeknight meal. And I'll get to what I did with the beef marrow bones a little bit later because I used them in the mashed potatoes.